1.4 Exercises. 1. Practice makes perfect. 1.1 Round decimals. In the following exercises, round each number to the nearest. A. Hundredth. B. Tenth. C. Whole number. 239, 5.781. 240, 1.638. 241, 0.299. 242, 0.697. 243, 63.479. 244, 84.281. 1.2 Add and subtract decimals. In the following exercises, add or subtract. 245, negative 16.53, minus 24.38. 246, negative 19.47, minus 32.58. 247, negative 38.69, plus 31.47. 248, negative 29.83, plus 19.76. 249, 72.5, minus 100. 250, 86.2, minus 100. 251, 91.75, minus, open parenthesis, negative 10.462, closed parenthesis. 252, 94.69, minus, open parenthesis, negative 12.678, closed parenthesis. 253, 55.01, minus, 3.7. 254, 59.08, minus, 4.6. 255, 2.51, minus, 7.4. 256, 3.84, minus, 6.1. 1.3 Multiply and divide decimals. In the following exercises, multiply. 257, open parenthesis, 94.69, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, negative 12.678, closed parenthesis. 258, open parenthesis, negative 8.5, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 1.69, closed parenthesis. 259, open parenthesis, negative 5.18, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, negative 65.23, closed parenthesis. 260, open parenthesis, negative 9.16, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, negative 68.34, closed parenthesis. 261, open parenthesis, 0.06, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 21.75, closed parenthesis. 262, open parenthesis, 0.08, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 52.45, closed parenthesis. 263, open parenthesis, 9.24, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 10, closed parenthesis. 264, open parenthesis, 6.531, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 10, closed parenthesis. 265, open parenthesis, 0.025, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 100, closed parenthesis. 266, open parenthesis, 0.037, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 100, closed parenthesis. 267, open parenthesis, 55.2, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 1000, closed parenthesis. 268, open parenthesis, 99.4, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 1000, closed parenthesis. In the following exercises, divide. Round money monetary answers to the nearest cent. 269, $117.25 divided by 48. 270, $109.24 divided by 36. 271, 1.44, divided by, open parenthesis, negative 0.3, closed parenthesis. 272, negative 1.15, divided by, open parenthesis, negative 0.05, closed parenthesis. 273, 5.2, divided by, 2.5. 274, 14, divided by, 0.35. 1.4. Convert decimals, fractions and percents. In the following exercises, write each decimal as a fraction. 275, 0.04. 276, 1.464. 277, 0.095. 278, negative 0.375. In the following exercises, convert each fraction to a decimal. 279, 17, over, 20. 280, 17, over, 4. 281, negative 310, over, 25. 282, negative 18, over, 11. In the following exercises, convert each percent to a decimal. 283, 71%. 284, 150%. 285, 39.3%. 286, 7.8%. In the following exercises, convert each decimal to a percent. 287, 1.56. 288, 3. 289, 0.0625. 290, 2.254. 1.5. Simplify expressions with square roots. In the following exercises, simplify. 291, square root of 64. 292, square root of 169. 293, square root of 144. 294, negative square root of 4. 295, negative square root of 100. 296, negative square root of 121. 1.6. Identify integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and real numbers. In the following exercises, list the A. Whole numbers. B. Integers. C. Rational numbers. D. Irrational numbers. E. Real numbers. For each set of numbers. 297, negative 8, 0, 1.95286, 12, over, 5, square root of 36, 9. 298, negative 9, negative 3 and 4, over, 9, negative square root of 9, 0.409 bar, 11, over, 6, 7. 299, negative square root of 100, negative 7, negative 8, over, 3, negative 1, 0.77, 3 and 1, over, 4. 300, negative 6, negative 5, over, 2, 0, 0.714285 bars, 2, and 1, over, 5, square root of 14. 1.7. Locate fractions and decimals on the number line. In the following exercises, locate the numbers on a number line. 301, 3, over, 10, 7, over, 2, 11, over, 6, 4. 302, 7, over, 10, 5, over, 2, 13, over, 8, 3. 303, 3, over, 4, negative 3, over, 4, 1 and 2, over, 3, negative 1 and 2, over, 3, 5, over, 2, negative 5, over, 2. 304, 2, over, 5, negative 2, over, 5, 1 and 3, over, 4, negative 1 and 3, over, 4, 8, over, 3, negative 8, over, 3. 305. A. 0.8. B. Negative 1.25. 306. A. Negative 0.9. B. Negative 2.75. 307. A. Negative 1.6. B. 3.25. 308. A. 3.1. B. Negative 3.65. 2. Writing exercises. 309. How does knowing about U.S. money help you learn about decimals? 310. When the Zitos sold their home, the selling price was 500% of what they had paid for the house 30 years ago. Explain what 500% means in this context. 311. In your own words, explain the difference between a rational number and an irrational number. 312. Explain how the sets of numbers, counting, whole, integer, rational, irrationals, reals, are related to each other. Section 1.4. Self-check. A. Use this checklist to evaluate your mastery of the objectives of this section. I can. Confidently. With some help. No, I don't get it. 1. Round decimals. 2. Add and subtract decimals. 3. Multiply and divide decimals. 4. Convert decimals, fractions and percents. 5. Simplify expressions with square roots. 6. Identify integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers and real numbers. 7. Locate fractions and decimals on the number line. B. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your mastery of this section in light of your responses on the checklist? How can you improve this?